Friday, November 10th of 2023, and we did several trades in our two option trading accounts. So first we'll talk about our small account. It's this top section here above the thick blue line, our MPW covered call. We did the exact same trade in our main option trading account, but we simply bought to close the November 17th $5 covered calls and rolled it down to $4, and we got 38 cents. We did that in both accounts. So I was hoping that MPW is going to be called away from us, but today happened. And so I decided to go ahead and roll it down and actually roll it to an in-the-money covered call, because I'm hoping that we get it called away so we can take advantage of the loss on this to offset some gains other places. But what happened today is it broke below support. Notice this light yellow line here at $4.44. Today on very high volume, almost double, see the double? Actually, yeah, a little over double, maybe even close to triple the normal volume. It broke through there. So because of that, I decided, you know what, let's roll this down, and we rolled it in the money. I believe when we did it, it was trading around 420 or so, 415. Can't remember exactly, but it was in the money. Although they did head higher throughout the day. I think it was in the teens, maybe 415 or so. So it was in the money, but as the day went on, it went more and more money. But we got 38 cents per share for that. So we lowered our out-of-pocket costs. And if it's called away from us, I'm okay with that. So I want to grab that loss and use it against some gains, and then we'll look to go back into it at this point. All right, and then we bought to close in our main option trading account the UNH November 17th for an $80 put option for 10 cents. So that worked out well for us, a nice trade for us. We'll look to go back in. And then KLAC, this is one that I was really watching this the past week, because it goes ex-dividend. I think it's on Tuesday. And it was approaching an area that should have served as resistance for it, and it did one day. So notice this area right in here, $520.19. Should have served as resistance. Notice it did it back here in August, did it again in September. But over the past couple of weeks, we've seen very strong buying volume. And so that told me that we possibly could breach that resistance, and then today happened. Nice, strong, high volume on a big up candle. So now that area around 520 is the new area that should serve as support for it. So what we did is we rolled these options. So we were in the December options, but it's about to go ex-dividend. So we bought to close this bottom line here, the December 15th 380 short call option. It's a part of performance covered call. We actually rolled that all the way up, rolled it $20 up, but we had to go out to March to make this happen for a credit. So we sold it up in the March $400 short call option. So kind of wiped away $20 worth of gains on that 380 short call option, just gone. But in order to do that, we sold some put options, as you'll see here in a second. So we also bought to close the December 410 put option. It only cost us 38 cents. And we did that because we sold a new put option to help fund rolling that call option up. So we sold the March 15th 460 put option and bought for protection the $300 put option. So in all, we walked away with $35 minus the commission on this. But the biggest thing is we were able to get our 380 call up to 400. That's our short call. And then our long leaps call that we own in KLAC was able to benefit from that move. And the deltas now are pretty similar. The long leaps we own, I believe it's around 0.92 is our delta. And when I rolled this, when I was trying to decide which expiration I wanted to go with and what strike prices, this $400 March call, the delta was also around 0.92. So we have a lot of protection if KLAC comes back down. Just keep in mind that we are short the 460 put. That 460 put is right in here, right below this upward sloping trading channel. You can see a little better here on the weekly chart. This upward sloping trading channel that it's been in, that 460 would be, if it comes back down, should be right there, right around that area. It's actually now about 467. So just below that upward sloping trading channel, the bottom support of it. So we'll see what happens. Pretty nice volume this week, slightly below normal, but strong, big up candle. Wouldn't surprise me to see another one now that's broken through this area. But of course, anything can happen in the market. So that's our trade for today. We have a few more positions that we're looking to close out, roll, or let be assigned. I don't think we're having anything we're going to let be assigned as of right now that expires next Friday. But we'll also be looking for some new positions to go into. So that's all for today. I hope you have an awesome weekend.